We're back. Here, I just brought all these coordinates. Okay.
Look.
USB.
Isn't it cute?
AT.
You're going camping! Yay! Oh shit, sorry.
Valid.
Valid.
Oh shit.
Why was that like
Wow.
you hear Mark?
No, I didn't hear him.
You said a bad word.
Huh? Oh, that's good. This one's good. Oh, that looks so cool.
Turtle.
Absolutely fried right now. It's like a cave. Wombo pod. Whoa. Whoa.
My butt. This is not a
deep enough.
Cause I've been out into the morning, and I don't think I lost another night. I knew the feeling would be forming after I took a look into your eyes. But are you ready for it, darling? I'll take on your responsibilities, and you got everybody calling, but I know that you're calling after me.
Post-hike interview. How we feeling?
I'm so gassed.
Actually, it was light. It was just baby food.
It was so easy.
Yeah, it was light work. I didn't even feel it.
Huh?